I've met more people coming into the office with flip-flops, shorts, t-shirts, whatever it is, and they're worth millions of dollars because of the real estate that they've invested in. Hey, everybody. Brandon McKnight, Chief Strategy Officer for Pine Financial Group. If you haven't met me yet, I'm looking forward to meeting you. We've got the Investor Success Summit coming up soon. But today's video is really about what I've learned in being here for 1 year. I could probably go on for 30 minutes, but I don't think anybody wants to hear me talk for that long. So I'm going to keep it pretty short. I'm going to talk about the top 3 things I've learned since I started working here. So number one, it's easy to come to work when you love what you do and you love who you work with. Man, I got to say, meeting the team here has just been phenomenal. A lot of people here have been here for 10 plus years, and I get it. I used to be one of those guys that had the Sunday scaries, was kind of dreading coming to work on a Monday, just feeling like, all right, here we go again. It's going to be a, drudgery through the work week. I don't feel that way at all. It actually is very exciting. I love getting up on Monday, heading into the office. We've got a great company culture. It truly feels like family. So it's actually kind of nice because you're catching up with people to hear what they were up to during the weekend. And it's kind of fun to just, catch up and connect. And so that's number one. Number two is uh, really it's what Kevin's built. It kind of ties back to that, thing of number one, which is, it's easy to go to work when you love what you do. Number two for me would actually be, you know, uh, the amazing company that Kevin and the team have built here at Pine. Like I said, the company's been in operations for 15 years, and a lot of those people have been here forever. And so it feels like a family. It doesn't feel like work at all. And so as excited as I am for everything that he's built, and the company's doing very well financially, very stable footing, we're all about helping, everybody that's involved in the process, our investors, our borrowers, our staff, whatever that is. To me, I'm really excited about where we're going. Our goal is to grow the company by 5 times. And along with that, we want to help 5 times as many people, which means investors, borrowers, and our staff. So we always think of it here at Pine as we want it to be a win-win-win, a win for our investors, a win for our borrowers, and a win for our staff. If we can do those 3 things, then we're really onto something. And that's what I'm very excited about. So our goal is to amplify that. And I'm very excited for what the future holds. We did an offsite meeting earlier this year where we did a 2-day planning session on how we can hit that 5X goal. And we feel like we can do it. So we're happy that everybody here is along for the ride, but we're going to need plenty of help too. So looking forward to it. And then the last thing I've got for you is really just building wealth through real estate. So I spent most of my career in corporate America really chasing titles, right? I think that that's what you learn in school growing up is, hey, if you can get a job and then someday you'll get promoted to be a manager, and it's all about chasing a paycheck, right? You're hoping to get that larger and larger paycheck, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. But if I could do it over again and having been here for 1 year, what I've realized is that creating passive income through real estate is really the right way to go. I've met more people coming into the office with flip-flops, shorts, t-shirts, whatever it is, and they're worth millions of dollars because of the real estate that they've invested in. So one of my new goals in life is to have a passive income through rental properties or investing in a mortgage fund like the one that we have. I didn't even know those existed before I started working here, but it's just awesome. So, for those of you out here watching the channel, get involved in real estate. It can change your life, totally change your financial circumstances. It's a phenomenal opportunity. Real estate historically has always performed well. I'm a child of or a byproduct of '08, where we had the Great Recession and people got skittish on real estate. Man, did we miss an opportunity? If only we could have been buying up houses then. What a crazy situation that would be. So I'll recap those 3 things. One, it's easy to come to work when you love what you do. 2, Kevin and the team have built an amazing company and culture here at Pine, but I'm excited to see where we're going. And then 3, creating wealth through real estate is truly a phenomenal aspect. So those are the 3 things I've learned since I've joined the Pine team about a year ago. I'm excited for what the future holds, and want to make sure that you guys hit the like or subscribe button on the channel, because we're trying to provide you valuable information and for you to learn. And so that's how you'll get started in this business, and it's all about education. So we work together to help you succeed. That's our slogan, and that's what we do. Thanks, everybody. See ya.